see the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Trisha, maybe it is your network problem, okay? Divyanka, Mitrajit, you can see too. The whiteboard is
ma'am.
visible properly. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Properly.
Okay, now put the date first. Write CW. Acha, you can write the page number or exercise B means anyone just say the page number.
Yes, ma'am.
You can also write the page number. Huh? Okay, now the first one, equivalent fraction I explained too. Just
Yes.
Acha, question number 1 probably done.
Yes, ma'am. It was completed.
It was completed. From 2, let me start, huh? Acha, this question number 2 is very much important for the exam also, huh? Find one equivalent fraction of which one? Of 2 by 7, right? And it is given, we have to write one equivalent fraction of this, but you cannot take the fraction of your choice. What will be the fraction? Equivalent fraction will be, I am just writing this one dot, huh? Equivalent fraction will be, look, here the numerator is given 12. We have to find the denominator. Basically, equivalent fraction, in the numerator portion, it is given 12. We have to find the denominator in such way so that this fraction will be equivalent. Is it clear to you? No, by what? By 7. And we have got here 12 by something, right? Now, if we multiply 2 by 6, then only we are getting 12, na? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Se-
So the same thing we'll have to do exactly 7 into 6. Then only we'll get the denominator. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am. Same process.
Yes, ma'am.
Fraction will be 12 by 42. You
Yes.
you can note down this explanation also. For at least one question, note down the explanation, okay? From the next one, just directly you can write the answer. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am. I have note down.
Okay.
Ma'am, noted. Now, ma'am, next sum.
This one is Shamia Rahman. Hey, Afan, why have you joined late? Acha, 2A though. Now just let me start 2B. 2B I am not going to solve. You will have to solve and Sneha, you will answer. Sneha?
Ma'am, can you write the question?
Ah, yes, 18 by 20. This one is the fraction, okay? We have to write a equivalent given with 10 as the denominator. That means what will be the numerator? Now, if we divide by 2, then only we are getting 10, yes or no? So in the numerator also we have to divide by 2. Yes or no, Trisha?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the answer?
Ma'am.
No.
No, I think,
Sneha?
Sneha will take.
No. Sneha? Now Sneha is not going to talk. Acha, Shinjini, can you answer it? No, why no? You have not understood the procedure. Look, it was given to 18 by 20. Shidatri, you will say the answer. Just wait for a minute. Acha, look. Here we have got If we divide this 20 by 2, then we are getting 10. So yes or no?
Yes.
Anuva? Yes. So the same thing as equivalent, in case of equivalent, basically, we have to do the same thing on the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so as we have divided by 2 in the denominator, so in the numerator also we have to do the same calculation. We have to divide 18 by 2. 9 na?
Yes, ma'am.
9. Yes, so the answer will be 9. Now it is clear. 9 by 10. Ashmita, Shidatri, is the answer correct?
Yes,
Okay. Okay, now look at this. Question number 2 completed, Tom?
Yes, ma'am. Now number 3.
Okay. Now number 3. Acha, lowest form means reduce in the lowest form. Let me make you understand this one. Anuva, Ashmita, just look at the board first, then note. You will note, huh? Look, lowest form means, suppose the question is given 30 by 42. Lowest form means you have to find their HCF, huh? Find their HCF. Just directly you can take these two. Be divisible 15 and 21. Now by 3. Yes, to. Now there is no common factor, only 3 2s are 6. Say yes or no, Ashmita, Shidatri. So
Yes.
6 will be their HCF. So lowest form means we have to divide this two number by 6. And what will be the remaining portion? That will be the answer. Trisha, wait. I'll explain all the thing. Wait. So that means 30 divided by 6, and here it will be 42 divided by 6. So the answer will be 5 by 7. Yes, so up to this, all of you understood, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Anuva, Anushka,
Yes, ma'am.
Poojan.
yes,
Okay. Now in each and every case, basically this calculation is very easy, huh? That's why you can do mind calculation. This explanation got it though. Now I am clearing the screen, huh? Look, suppose the question is 30 by 42. You can directly do the part cancellation by 6. 6 5 is 30, 6 7 is 42. The same thing. Now one thing, suppose you cannot get the HCF. Then step by step you can do the calculation. Understood? What is that step by step calculation? Look at this. It place there is even number though. So Sinjini, both are divisible by 2. As both are even number, yes though.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So by 2 we are just doing part cancellation. If we divide 30 by 2, that means it will be 15. If we divide by 2, it will be 21. Just do the division in the rough portion, huh? In this way. And it's 2. Okay. Now, again look, this 2 numbers is divisible by 3. Now there is only one common by 7. Now both the process I explained, huh? Directly just by taking their HCF, you are not taking the greater one number directly. One by in one step, then in the other step you can do. Understood? Both the process you got it or not? Demolin is same.
ma'am.
Trisha, yes. Shamia, have you understood? Trisha, say.
Yes, ma'am.
Shuhana, Shamia, and Oishi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Yes, ma'am.
Trisha, ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in HCF you only take 2 and 3. Then why didn't
Then
you?
it will be LCM though. HCM is highest common factor, which are common. Suppose 2 and 3 were there, then here we have got 5 and 7 though. Now is there any common factor of this 5 and 7? No, though, only one. So we should stop here. These two are prime numbers, na? And also co-prime to each other. Yes, though. Shamia understood or not?
Good morning, ma'am.
We saying good morning.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon and happy birthday.
Ifshita,
अरे
good
मैम
afternoon
हैप्पी
and
बर्थडे थी और वाह
Yes.
Whatever, but why you saying after good afternoon right now?
Acha, Ifshita, it's your happy birthday. Then happy birthday now.
अरे मैम
Take out your copy, huh?
दूर बाबा.
No, it's not my happy birthday, okay? And just forget about this. At the last of the class, I'll talk to you, okay? Now, okay. Acha, now question number 3, first one and second one will be your homework. I am doing CDEF, okay?
Okay, ma'am. At last, do we need to write that the simplest form of this fraction is this? Do we need to write it, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
The simplest form of the fraction is this, yes. Acha, 3C, it is given 110. Okay. Acha, now just look. I am doing directly, huh? 11 twos are 20 and 22, and this one is also divisible by 11, na? Or I'll take 2.
yes ma'am 10 by 10
Suhana? No, by
Yes,
10,
ma'am.
no. It is 22, so how by 10? Suhana, I'll take by 2 or 11.
no ma'am in case
By
of
11?
110
Ma'am, 110.
But you have to take the number. Suppose 10 is divided, 10 divides 110 though, but 10 doesn't divide this 22 though. So we cannot take 10. You have to take the common factor.
Ma'am, 2 divided.
Common.
then it can okay.
2. Exactly, 2. By 2 we can take. So it will be 11. It will be 5 twos are 10. Then again 1, 10, 5 twos are 10. 55. Now again by 11 directly. 2. Okay. 1 and this one will be 5. So the answer is 1 by 5. Now write the answer. Hence, the simplest form is equal to 1 by. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Or Gopi?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomojit, Mirza. Acha, Mirza, Shayun and Oishi, keep your camera on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, Tuhinur, Reazuddin, Sneha and Shafin. Understood, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, I am clearing the screen, huh? Next one. Number D. It is 72 by 96. (72 by 96). First, we will take
Ma'am,
it by
both are
2. Yes or no?
yes
Yes.
ma'am
First, take by 2, huh? Step by step, huh?
Hello, ma'am.
If we divide 72 by 2, then it will be 36, na? 96, it will be
48.
this type of questions done already so many times. Now again we can divide it by 2. It will be 18 It will be 24. Yes, to.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, but it will be 9. It will be 12.
12.
Now by 3 now?
That 9 will be 3 and the
Ma'am, 3 and 4.
3 and
3
4.
and 4.
So is equal to, I am writing over there. Huh? Acha, in the next line, write it. Is equal to 3 by 4. Right? Hence, the simplest form is
3 by 4.
all of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mita, Shafin, Shayon and Reazuddin completed or Itro?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, acha, I am waiting. Or you can write the reduced form is. Okay. Now number E. Now number E. Start to solve number E. I am clearing the screen, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It is 135 by 120.
Ma'am, 35 will
By
got us-
5. By 5 we will take.
Yes, ma'am, 5, 5. 135 will
So-
be 20.
So look at this. If we divide 135 for the others, let me do it. 10. So this 3 will come and this 5 will come out. 5 7
27.
35. 27 exactly. It will be 27. And this 120 will be
Ma'am, 24.
24.
Yes.
24.
5 to the 10. This 2 will come. This 0
Now-
will be there. 5 4s.
24, yes.
Now with
Now, Ajit, I cannot see you. Where are you? And Yash also. Okay.
9 by 8 is the answer.
3 9 9 by 8. Yes. Acha, this one is an improper fraction now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But
no.
make it mixed.
So convert it into exactly.
Prop.
Convert it into mixed.
Mixed.
Just divide this one.
One by 8.
1 by 8.
whole 1 by 8.
Okay. Done.
Understood, all of you?
Yes,
Mirza
ma'am.
completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, this will be in the rough
Yes,
portion, huh? This part will be in rough portion.
Ma'am, in the exam, we can do the rough in the right side of the page.
Rough means exactly. Exactly. Rough in the right side of the particular
Ma'am,
sum.
we can take another page.
Not in the back page, not in the back page, not in any other page, not in your hand, okay, not in the table, whatever. Understood? Just only in the right side of a particular sum. Got it?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am. got
ma'am.
it.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, Oishi? Beta, you are not saying a thing. Acha, okay, now let me start the next one. Number F. What is given in number F? 18 by 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Directly you can cut it by 6. It is the very small number, na? So take by 6 directly. 3 6 are 18.
Yes, ma'am, directly. But ma'am, I have done that A process. At first, I have done it by
Step
6.
jump.
Sorry,
Okay,
3. Then
Okay, no issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Write the answer, huh? The reduced form is 3/4 or the simplest form is this.
We can
Pujan,
write both.
complete. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Achha, now I am starting the fourth one. Okay. Now, how to check whether the pairs are equivalent or not? There is one process which I have not explained in the last class. Look, suppose I am giving you two fractions. Suppose I am giving you 3/7 and 9/12. How to check these are equivalent or not? Just make a cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication.
Already one process, already you know that if 7, suppose 3 3s are 9, but 7 3s are 21, it must be. But it is 12, so it will not be equivalent. That is normal process, right? But there is one more way. As I gave the sum 3/7 and look at this. Just do cross multiplication we have to do. 3 into 12, that one is equal to what? 36? Yes. Now for this one, 7 into 9 or 9 into 7, this one will be, what will be?
Ma'am,
6, 7 9s are, Shamia? Acha, both are same. Both are equal.
No.
So here what to write? What to write as 63, sorry, 36. 36 is not equal to 63. So these two are not equivalent. Is it clear? Shinjini understood the process? Shinjini?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
but ma'am, I have used that
Just
normal cut cancellation
Cross
process.
multiply. Normal process. Okay. Acha. Suppose these two numbers are equal. Just let me take a number. 5/6. Acha, not 5/6. 5/50. And 6/60. Acha, that normal process means you can do this one reduced form. You can find the simplest form. 5, 1 is 5, 5 tens are. It will be 1/10 reduce it. By 6, 1 is 6 10. So it will also be 1/10. So both are same though. That means they are equivalent. This is the normal process. Okay. But if you want to solve it by cross multiplication, just look. 5/50 and 6/60. What to do? I told cross multiplication. So
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
exactly. And 50 into 6, that will be also 300. Yes.
yes.
Now what to write? Now
This
what to
as they
write over there? As both are equal 300, just here write as 5 into 60 is equal to 50 into 6. Five by 50 and 6/60 is equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction. Got it? This one is probably 4B, na? 4B to?
Yes, ma'am. 4B.
complete this.
Ma'am, A will be homework.
A will be homework. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Shomojit, you are there. I cannot see you. Acha, okay, okay. Now the camera is okay, so Shomojit.
Ma'am, now I doing
Home
but ma'am, I have to go to
noises are coming.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Recording stop, right? Okay.
Ma'am, your voice.
Acha, now the next one, number C. Ah, yes, same.
ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Now it is thing. Now it is cracking or not? Now?
Now it's coming,
Ma'am.
but sometimes it is cracking.
Acha. Okay, now the next one. Yes, yes, same.
Ma'am, coded A is HW.
Yes. By the way, you cannot talk in English, talk in Bengali, okay? Talk in English. Acha, now the next one. 36 by 15 and 48.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am,
Yes, same.
ma'am, in the exam we can do the simplest one by that cut calculation, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Both the processes are correct. If you want to show the division, Shidatri, are you there? I cannot see you. Okay, okay. Acha, now Amitrajit, complete it. Cross multiplication, we have to do it. Acha, I will say you one thing. As these are very big number now, so for this you can apply that process. That will be much better. Look. Yes, to
Ma'am, I get the
Divyanka, Debolin.
Yes,
Suppose
ma'am.
by 3.
Yes,
3,
ma'am.
12, 3, 5.
12 by
Here
5 it
also.
will be.
And it will be by 4.
5 by 12,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 12 by 5 and 10 by 5.
This will be 5, 12. It is 12 by 5. And so are
Yes,
they
ma'am.
equivalent?
No, ma'am. They are not same.
No,
They are not.
they are not equivalent. Okay. Just write here as is not equal to 5 by 12. I'll clear the screen.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No.
Yes, ma'am. Clear the.
Acha, now the next one, D. Okay, now I am going to clear, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 14 by 19 and 28 by 30. First do this one. This will be divisible by any number? No, no. So
ma'am.
just 14 by 19 will remain as it is. Now
Yes.
take this one. By 2,
Yes, ma'am.
38.
This pair
it
is
will be
equivalent.
14.
Equivalent.
These are equivalent, yes? Because
Yes,
both
ma'am.
are same.
Equivalent.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
showing ma'am
For what?
the hello.
Hi, Ipshita, say. Acha, number E I am doing. Look. 18 by 32, 36 by 64. By 2. 9 by 16. Yes, to. Nine by 16. Now this one by say no one. Amit Sajid,
60.
by which number? By 4.
14.
It will also be 9 by 16. Yes, to.
Yes, ma'am.
Ujan, Shomojit, yes or no, Argodit?
Yes, ma'am.
So these two are equivalent. I'll clear the screen.
Yes.
Anushka, understood or not? Okay. Now let me complete the F. What is given? 54 by 32, 108 by 64. Acha, you can do it yourself. This one is the first one. Second number is this one. Second fraction, this one. You can complete it yourself, yes or no. So 3 questions I have given you homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
3, not 2 probably, A and F.